Guys, it's finally time to clear out this room. Stand by. Okay, I did it. Girl, I don't even know where to begin. I feel like I'm gonna need these power tools for when I start doing the makeover though. So I'm gonna hide them in the closet. What is this? Let me know what you think this contraption is. I need to know. All right, I don't want to bore you guys too much with all of the cleaning business that I'm doing here. So I'm just going to do a couple cool transitions, such as I kind of continued working and didn't film anything because your girl was overstimulated. I will film this though, because before starting these makeovers, I didn't realize how easy it is to take those things out. So excited to get rid of these. This literally just pulls out. It's crazy. Ah! Wait, what? Ta-da! Oh, this thing is dusty. I wonder if I can sell this. Okay. That was a little too painful to watch, so I'm not gonna let you sit through that again. Whew. Need to take some allergy medicine now. Everything is gone except for this bed and the bed frame because the bed frame's too heavy to take out of the room. Stay tuned because I'm gonna be fixing the ceiling next. And also removing that ceiling fan. And I'm not gonna put a new ceiling fan back. So hopefully I don't anger too many people. All right, see ya, bye.